A lamb? It's a goat. How to take care of a goat? Like? No. Why? Is it dirty? You why it? Oh, not your clothes. What are you gonna do? Oh, goatee goatee.
Good girl.
Good girl. Okay now?
Take your water.
It's okay. She's vlogging about how to take care of a calding. Oh, that's okay. Maybe she's
Finish already. Finish drinking.
Okay, anak. Maybe she doesn't want to, she's busy. Okay. Is it easy to take care of a goat? Oh. Oh. Careful, anak. Don't force it. Stay away from that tree. Stay away from there. Okay.
Now guys, we're going to the country.
Huh?
Okay, there's the moon.
Okay, bye-bye.
Wait,
Natin, bye-bye.
okay, this is my first time in Agna.
First time in Agna?
Some food forgot or kita.
Oh no, what's that, ipin-ipin? Wow, it's yummy. More. No more.
Mama, can you give me some more?
I cannot reach the unknown.
Oh, oh.
What's that?
Okay, now guys, this is the rest.
What do you call that?
Oh,
Careful.
you have so much sleeping.
Oh, see? What do you call that leaves? Ipil, ipil, ipil. Ipil, ipil. Ipil, ipil leaves. Oh, yummy, Gwen. You wanna eat? Oh. Yummy. Look at the goat, oh. Don't make it hard for the goat. Hmm. What are you doing? Of course, she's gonna eat it. Just give it to her now. What? Don't make it hard for her. She needs to eat.
Here.
No, she's gonna bite your fingers. Mm. It's a shy plant. Oh.
Okay, guys. We're going to listen to the next episode of Mythwil's toy review. Watch the next video when I see the rest. So bye. Bye. Bye, guys. Watch the next episode of Mythwil's toy review and the Mythwil's farm and Mythwil's farm review.
Farm review.
This is a farm review. You're watching. Bye.
Oh no.